In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate Double Weapon XP and Battle Pass XP in XDefiant. Start by selecting Play, then select the Unranked option. Choose a game mode, any mode will work. Now that you're searching, head to the side and select the Activate Booster option. On the left, you have the Battle Pass XP booster options, and on the right, you have Weapon XP boosters. The amount of boosters you have are shown on the left inside the box. Select the booster that you want to use, then click Yes to confirm that you want to activate the booster. If you're finding a game too fast and want to activate your XP booster, then open the settings. Go down and select Matchmaking and Account from the side. Now, you want to adjust your crossplay and input-based matchmaking to restrict how many players you can be matched with. In most cases, turning off crossplay and enabling input-based matchmaking will restrict who you can play with the most. Be sure to change your matchmaking settings back after you have activated your XP booster. You now know how to activate Double Weapon XP and Battle Pass XP in XDefiant.